It's a hot day here in Texas. Frack Daddy and I are hanging out. We're jumping in the pool, staying cool between shots, and we're barbecuing all kinds of stuff today. This video is going to be one of our appetizers. It's going to be pig bites, pig shots,
whatever
one
you
or the other.
call it.
Call them what you want to call them, just call them good. But it's going to be a fantastic appetizer, so stick around and see how we make it.
Super fast, super easy.
Hi, I'm Chef Johnny. This is Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine, and he is Frack Daddy from
Frack Daddy Barbecue. So make sure you guys come check me out and follow us both on Instagram.
That's right. And make sure that you share this on all your social media so we can both grow our channels up a little bit, right? Get those subscribers and get those views.
So what do we got
That's what
here?
we're looking for. So what we've done is we have got some sausage. We've cut it 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch, and it is a Monterey Jack jalapeno.
That sounds real good.
We're going to do that. We're going to wrap it in bacon. Then we're going to fill those cups we're going to make with it with some cream cheese. So y'all come in here close. Let's see how we make these pig shots. As you can see, Frack Daddy is laying out the bacon, and we're going to be coating it with some Uncle Steve Shake smoke bomb. And then the South Texas Red is going into our cream cheese.
Now we're using a thick cut ripe bacon. Y'all can use whatever kind of bacon you like, but Chef Johnny does not skip corners when it comes to the good stuff.
Well, when you're wrapping with bacon, and especially on these pig shots, you got to make an edge around the sausage. So you want a good, solid piece of bacon. Normally when I wrap, I use a thin slice, but for these, I do use thick slice.
Now we're going to go with a light coat of this smoke bomb because, of course, you guys know your bacon is salty already, and this rub does have salt, so you don't want to over salt what you got.
We're only going on one side, and then I've got some South Texas Red that we're going to go in with on our cream cheese. So just a couple of good shakes of the South Texas Red. That's 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese. In here, I got 6 ounces of San Miguel or De San Miguel chorizo. Joe over at Smokin' Joe's Pit Barbecue says this is the chorizo to use. So it's 1/2 link, which is 6 ounces, and 1/4 cup of diced onions, diced real small.
I guess we'll see if that stuff is pretty good. I've never had it.
Joe swears by it. I've never bought this brand before, but he says it's a real deal. So we're just going to mix that together. You can see we're getting that mixed pretty good. As soon as you get a kind of a solid color where you don't see streaks of white or orange through it, you know you've got it. So that's ready, and we're going to put this into a Ziploc bag that I've got the corner cut off of, and we're going to use a rubber spatula. Best way to get that out of there. Fold this over, and we're going to go in that corner right there.
You want to make sure you get all of this goodness out of here. But you know what this will make good of too, Johnny?
What's that?
Make some jalapeno poppers with this.
This would make some great jalapeno poppers, guys. Let's go ahead and just use my thumb and wipe it off. There you go. So that's in our Ziploc. Now we're going to start putting together our sausages with our bacon. And guys, instead of using toothpicks, we're using pasta. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my sausages here, and I'm going to go meat side down on this one, I guess. For one time around. So that's a 1/2 slice of bacon. And then I'm going to come in with this piece of pasta right here. And just push it in. This actually is angel hair. So my wife told me she had pasta and I didn't buy any. But when I got home, she had angel hair, not regular spaghetti. So you can see that's in there. Once I open this up, we're going to fill this with we'll show you this one right at first. Come on this side so we can don't get in the way of our cameras.
So we're going to come in here.
And just squeeze some right down in there.
You don't want to do a lot.
Because remember, your bacon is going to
How's that?
probably go a little bit more than that. There we go. So that looks pretty good. And we're going to make these up, put them in a container. They're going to go on the Lone Star Grill. at about 250 degrees, and we're gonna actually put these in my warming box. I'm gonna open it up, let it smoke in there, and we're gonna put them in there. Let us make the rest of these, and we'll get right back with you. We are back. We tag teamed through that. We got them ready, and as y'all can see our presentation here, they're gonna go in this cast iron skillet. Now that's a 16-inch cast iron lodge skillet. We're gonna put them in the warming box. I'm gonna open up the butterflies a little bit, get it to about 250 degrees so you can get some smoke on them. So let's take these over to the Lone Star Grill and let's get them in. All right, let's get this opened up. We're gonna get it into our warming box. Right, let's put it in the middle shelf. The middle shelf. Close it down. Open up this damper a little bit. I opened one of the butterflies between the fire box and the warming box. We're already, we were about 225 when I opened it up a second ago. So it's gonna keep going up, get in that 250, 275 range. Should take us about 30 to 45 minutes to cook these up.
We're gonna have us some wonderful snacks.
See you then when it's time to get them out. Pig bites are off the pit, and I tell you what, they are looking good. I've let them cool a little bit. If I can get Frack Daddy out of the pool, he's gonna get up here. We're gonna give these a sample, let you know exactly how good these hors d'oeuvres taste. What do you think, man?
Oh, those look amazing. Beautiful smoke color.
They are pretty. We're gonna give you some close-ups of these. So we have the Uncle Steve shake, the South Texas Red. We have some
smoke bomb on the bacon.
Smoke bomb on the bacon, chorizo, sauteed onions, cream cheese, and of course some Monterey Jack and jalapeno sausage. So, ready to give these a try?
Amazing. Cheers.
Oh yeah, that's good stuff.
Very fitting. I would say that chorizo comes through. You taste all the seasoning in that. Cream cheese, nice and creamy, not too salty. Pretty dang good.
Dude. Oh, Joe over at Joe's Pit Barbecue was right about that. Chorizo de San Miguel.
He was right about that.
That's good stuff.
It's amazing.
These are great little appetizers.
I'm gonna tell you what's gonna be a full day of eating today, Johnny. We're just in for a treat.
We got a lot of videos going.
Oh yeah.
Got a brisket, and on this Lone Star Grills, guys, first day of cooking on it. We got a brisket on it. We got a chicken video. We have these bites. So we got 3 videos on it, and we're fixing to do a Dutch
fourth.
oven.
We're gonna do a Dutch oven inspired blackberry raspberry cobbler by Kent Rollins, Cowboy Kent Rollins. So, tell you what, he knows his desserts, and who better else to do it with than Chef Johnny.
And we're gonna add a little Jack Daniels to it, right?
That's right.
So we got some Gentleman Jack that we poured in with those berries. They've been soaking in it.
Oh man.
So that's gonna be good. So in the near future, be looking for that that video also. But we're gonna go sit these down before we eat them all, or everybody else is we're gonna be in trouble. But anyways, hey, thanks for stopping by. Remember to check out Frack Daddy Barbecue, and everybody that comes over here from his channel. Thank y'all for being here.
And also check us out on Instagram as well.
We are there. You can find us. Hey, I just went over 50,000 subscribers, so thanks everybody that subscribed and everybody that watches. Hey, we really do appreciate it. Tell your friends and family about us. Share us on your social media. We're going to see you down the road on Texas-style barbecue and cuisine.
Later.
So long, everybody.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.